Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. This video, we will see how to insert any element at the end of a previously created linked list. Before going to detail function, we will try to understand the basic mechanism, means how to achieve this function by step method. First of all, if we have to insert any one element, then we have to create it, means we have to take one dummy element, then we have to assign the memory to that element, then we will take some value in its data item, then we will make its next pointer null. Okay, this is the whole part for inserting any new element. Now, what is the next procedure? Means how we can reach to the end of a list. We can reach it by performing some steps. Means, for example, here it is a linked list and it is the head of a linked list, and this is a more linked list here, and this is the last node of a linked list. What is the requirement? The question says us that we have to insert our new element at this point. But how we can reach up till this last end? For that, we will take one dummy pointer and try to move it to this last point. But how we can achieve this? We can take a loop like while q pointer next not equal to null, means through this procedure we can shift to the next node till its ground, means its next pointer not equals to null, and we will only apply q equals to q pointer next mechanism. And now suppose we are arrived at the last node, then what is the next procedure? Simple, we have to check if this node is really exist or not, means if q not equals to null, means it contains some data item in it, then we can take a steps like, suppose that is this is the q that we had traversed, and we have to attach q pointer next to p, means we have to perform the functions like only q pointer next is equal to p. This p we have created already previously, and now we have to only simply attach it to the next of the q. So this is the all background theory or the background implementation about how to insert any new node at the end of a linked list. So these steps we had seen are nothing but the simple algorithm. Now we have to convert it into a actual programming steps. Now we will see it one by one. As it is returning a head node, we will compulsory take the node as a return type. Then we will take a star mechanism as it is a dynamic mechanism, and we will give a name like insert end for our simplicity. Then we will take here only two members, that is the head node and the new data to be inserted. So head node will be taken as node star head, and the new data element will be taken as an integer x. Now simply coming to the inner part of a loop, we will take two pointers that are p and queue. P for the new node and Q for the traversing of a list. Simply, we will take a first step, like we will create a memory for the node star malloc size of node. Then we will take a data init, means the data which we had accepted here will be placed in this data part. P pointer data equals to x. Now we have to take a p pointer next equals to null. By this mechanism we had created like empty. Now at this stage we are placing the data element, and now we have to make the next pointer to null. So we will take like p pointer next is equal to null. Now we have to take some small assumptions, like if head equals to null, means here till now we had only created the new node, but we have to test like is there any linked list really present or not. For that we are checking like if head is equal to null, means your previously no any linked list is exist there, so we will return the p, means p will be your first, last or middle, whatever the node of your list. If this does not exist, means there is a head having some data. Now in such case we will place q to the head for traversing till the last node. Now we will take next steps, as we will take a some loop to reach at the end of a list, means we can take a function like while q pointer next not equals to null, we have to carry this procedure forward and we will shift q equals to q pointer next, means through this procedure we are coming to the exact last position, and now this will success and come out of the loop when this is reached as the end of the list. Now we will simply place p to the queue's next element, and we will here return again the head node for another simplicity. So this is all about how to insert any node at the end of a linked list.